Welcome to Trendverse by Uzma Amin, your destination for the latest trends in AI, online earning, blogging, finance, technology, and future skills. If you want to stay ahead, learn smarter, and grow faster in the digital world, you're in the right place. Subscribe to join our growing community. Like and share to support valuable content. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Let's learn, earn, and grow together.
Welcome to the Explainer. So let's just get right to it. Could a simple line of text typed into a box actually replace a human creator? I mean, think about that for a second. Could a single sentence just erase the need for a filmmaker, a designer, or an artist? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? But here's the thing. In 2026, it's the biggest question on every creator's mind.
You see, we are living right in the middle of an AI video revolution. And I'm not talking about some far-off future scenario. Nope. This is happening right now, and it is absolutely changing everything about how we make and even watch visual content.
So what are we really talking about exactly? Well, it's this thing called AI video generation. It's the ability to just type out a description, something like a golden retriever playing fetch in a field of flowers at sunset, and then, poof, a machine creates that exact video for you, instantly. It's kind of wild. And the tools leading this charge are, well, they're incredibly powerful. First up, you've probably heard of Sora. This thing generates video clips that are so stunningly realistic, it's getting hard to tell them apart from the real thing.
Then you've got Runway ML. This is a platform that can turn really simple text prompts into these dynamic, totally professional-looking video sequences. And let's not forget Pika Labs, which lets pretty much anyone create cinematic or animated videos in just a few seconds. I mean, the speed and the quality of what these tools can do, it's just staggering. Which, of course, brings us right back to that very real fear. You know, with technology this powerful and this easy for anyone to use, does it actually mean it's the end for human creators? Are we looking at a future where our roles just become obsolete? And look, the impact is already huge. This isn't just affecting some small niche area. We are seeing massive shifts happening across business, education, social media, basically any field that relies on visual storytelling. For businesses, this means a marketing agency can now whip up, I don't know, a dozen video ads in an afternoon, a job that used to take weeks. For educators, it's a way to create custom animated history lessons right on the fly. And for all you social media creators out there, it means pumping out high-quality content with way less effort. It's a total game changer. But is that the whole story? I mean, really? Or is there something that the machine is missing? Okay, this is where we get to the real heart of the issue, that irreplaceable human spark. And this chart illustrates the fundamental difference perfectly. On one side, you've got AI. It's fantastic at the technical stuff, right? Generating visuals, instant production. But on the other side, well, that's where we come in. The truly human elements, original ideas, emotional storytelling, a unique perspective, that is still our domain. So, here's the crucial point, the main takeaway. AI is an incredible executor. Think of it this way. It can build the house, but it can't dream up the blueprint. It can follow a recipe perfectly, but it can't invent a new dish. AI can execute for sure, but we, the humans, we have to be the ones to originate the idea. So, you know what? Maybe we've been asking the wrong question all along. What if this isn't about replacement? What if it's about collaboration? Yeah, let's reframe this whole thing. Let me introduce you to your new creative co-pilot. This partnership, it creates a whole new creative process. And it starts with you. You provide the vision, the core idea, the feeling you want to convey. Then the AI acts as your hands, instantly generating all the visuals. And finally, you take those raw materials and you do what only a human can do. You perfect them. You weave them into a compelling story. And just think about what this unlocks for you as a creator. It means you can produce content so much faster. It means you can experiment with all sorts of wild new ideas without needing a massive budget. And maybe most importantly, it lets you focus on what really matters, your creativity, your story, instead of getting totally bogged down in the technical weeds. When you start to look at it this way, the fear kind of starts to fade, doesn't it? It's not a replacement that's coming for your job. It's the most powerful assistant you've ever had, and it's ready to bring your wildest ideas to life. Which leaves us with one final thought. Look, in 2026, these tools are here. and they're here to stay. The conversation isn't about fighting them anymore. It's about harnessing them. So the real question isn't whether AI will replace us. The real question is, how are we going to use AI to become more creative, more innovative, and more powerful than ever before?